So by now you may know that the OnePlus 11 is launching in the global market on February 7th. So we still have almost a month and a half left before the global launch. But today OnePlus announced that it is launching the phone in the Chinese market a month before the global launch date. The launch in China is taking place on January 4th, that is just after a week. This is not that surprising because this year as well, the same thing happened with the OnePlus 10 Pro, which was launched in China in January, but the global launch happened in March. And so far, keeping the leaks aside, OnePlus itself has revealed a ton of details already, especially the design of the phone. A lot of images of the OnePlus 11 have been shared by the company, and so by now it is officially confirmed that the OnePlus 11 comes in two color options, black and green. The green color option has a matte finish on the back, whereas the black color option has a sandstone finish. These were also the color options of the OnePlus 10 Pro when it launched. The only major design change this time is in the camera module. The camera module on the OnePlus 11 is circular, so it looks a lot different than the camera module of the OnePlus 10 Pro. The Hasselblad branding is still present on the camera module. There is an alert slider on the right side, a curved screen with a hole punch cut out in the corner, an in-display fingerprint scanner, stereo speakers, and wireless charging support. We also know the specifications already, so the OnePlus 11 has a 6.7-inch display and it is a 120Hz Quad HD Plus AMOLED display, which sounds like the same panel that we saw on the OnePlus 10 Pro. The chipset is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which is not a surprise, but what is interesting is that the base variant of the OnePlus 11 will have 12GB of RAM, at least in the Chinese market. There is up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and half a terabyte of UFS 4.0 storage. The battery size is 5000 mAh and the charging speed is 100 watt. Now coming to the cameras, the triple camera setup on the back includes a 50 megapixel primary camera, a 48 megapixel ultra wide, and a 32 megapixel telephoto. This is a normal telephoto camera and not a periscope camera. For selfies, the phone has the good old 16 megapixel camera. Finally, Android 13 will be running out of the box. Well, it is not surprising that the OnePlus 11 has top-notch specifications, since that has been the case with every premium OnePlus flagship. The main thing is that at what price the OnePlus 11 will launch. The OnePlus 10 Pro launched at $900 this year, so it is very much possible that the OnePlus 11 starts at around $1,000. Anyways, what do you think of the OnePlus 11? Do let me know your opinions in the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.